Nongrah area, which falls under Nongrah constituency in Shillong, woke up after months of deep slumber due to COVID-19 pandemic, when Meghalaya Legislator Mr. Charles Pyngrope inaugurated the PWD road at Nongrah locality today. The inauguration of an exceptional sturdy cemented road, the first of its kind, brought life to the area once again. People who were not called for the inauguration of the road, as strict adherence of health protocols need to be maintained, came out of their houses to join the MLA who visited the Nongrah locality. Mr. Pyngrope wanted to construct the road from the MLA development scheme, and when he approached the PWD authorities, they willingly sanctioned the scheme, and within a short time it was completed. The 130 kilometers stretch of the road will facilitate free movements of vehicles, besides easing the residents to reach their cars at their doorsteps. Along with the residents of the locality, Mr. Pyngrope visited the ongoing work of Nongrah water supply scheme located within the vicinity of Nongrah. The water supply scheme will enable to provide household water tap connections to a sizable population of the area. The Central Water Supply Scheme, known as Nongrah Water Supply Scheme, Phase 1, was approved by PHE, Government of Meghalaya, on the 31st of March 2017, followed with the execution of work. The scheme comprises the construction of raw water pump at Nongrah locality, a deep tube well and water treatment plant. The land and water sources to facilitate the scheme was generously donated by landowners of Nongrah. Nongrah, which falls outside the Shillong municipality, does not receive water from PHE, Government of Meghalaya.
We have a water supply here, which most people of Nongrah, they take their water from here. But over the years, it has become very dilapidated and at times even not motorable. Hence, the residents came to me and immediately I informed the PWD. But there was a problem with the funds of the PWD, so I arranged to have this constructed from the MLA fund. However, being such an important road, the PWD decided that they would do it themselves. So in the end, we have got a nice road,
Yes.
except that we'll need a few cross drains, otherwise the length of the road will not support the existing drain. So if there's a heavy rainfall like we had last few days, there's a chance of flooding and probably damage the road again. So we have to think about the drain also. I'll inform the PWD authorities to have a look at it. And I'm glad that the contractor has done a very good job, and we must appreciate the good work he has put in to make this road.
When he was the Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Mr. Pyngrope pleaded the government that water supply scheme should be extended to Nongrah area also, but the state government is yet to pay heed to that ardent appeal. Mr. Pyngrope also assured the residents to enhance the developmental activities of Nongrah area as it falls under his constituency. Speaking to the media, Mr. Pyngrope urged the local authorities and elder residents to come forward and cooperate with the MLA in bringing faster development in the area. He also said that women folk who are willing to work for the upliftment of the poor and the downtrodden should be encouraged to shoulder some of the responsibilities.
Then it is concreting is a better option. Progress would have been much more, but because of the pandemic, this has been delayed a bit. But people are working. The pipes have been laid down, and the overhead tanks they have started constructing that also. So we hope within a year or two we should have that water supply scheme also.